What's up, everyone? I'm here with Shakespeare. I guess I won. I guess I won. I'm here with Shakespeare's fun little game, I guess. Oh God, what the heck? What's going on? Okay. Oh wait. Okay, let me see how this works. Boom, you dumb little crotch. My leg, no. Crap, how does this work? You're dumb. Oh no, my leg. Oh! You dumb little crotch! Dumb little blue man! Gosh. Put that down a little bit. Ah! How? Seriously, I have to do this all week. Seriously, great. Just great. I'll wait. So, how are you doing? Good? Bad? Same? Great. Yeah. Okay. So. Yay! That didn't take very long. Ah, fudge. I should have went for it. Whoa! Yeah! Victory is mine. Okay, you will die. Ah, I hit my head. Oh, shit. I have to block with my hand. Ah! You monster! I'll have to get him in the balls. I'm not doing that again. Yeah, I'm not doing that again. Let's play a different game. Yeah, let's play a game. Let's play a different game. Let's just play Dead or Alive. Dead or Alive. That sounds good. Yeah, I want to play Dead or Alive. Let's play Dead or Alive. Dead or Alive 5. Play it. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna edit that out. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. Yeah. You know what? I might as well make a new video. Yeah. That sucked. I'm gonna